Hello friends, welcome back to the money video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Redmi phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys Redmi phone guys lock screen password setting. And today video title is guys how to change lock screen password on Redmi mobile. Friends, you want to set new password on lock screen. So friends, how to change lock screen password on Redmi mobile. Open your phone setting friends. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface on your Redmi mobile. Friends, click on Redmi mobile password security setting. Friends, click on screen lock, enter your password. Friends, you want to set pattern lock, so friends click on pattern lock. Friends, you want to use again pin lock password, so you can again use. And friends, you want to use name password lock, so friends you can set name password lock. So first of all guys, select your password type, pattern, pin and password. So I will use guys password setting, name password lock setting. After 5 seconds, right side got it option, click here and first enter your password. Set your password. So friends, I will enter my name. After enter, continue with same spelling friends, again enter my name. And friends, if you enter wrong spelling friends, you can see password don't match. So friends, enter your correct spelling and OK option. And friends, you can see name of phone lock screen password will change on Redmi mobile. Friends, you want to unlock your phone, so you will have to enter your name password lock, then friends you can unlock your Redmi mobile. So like that friends, we can change lock screen password on Redmi mobile. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video friends. Now do you have any doubt on your Redmi phone device? So friends, you can ask me in comment section friends, I will check, I will help you. Bye bye friends.